Looking for a memory card that delivers lightning-fast transfer speeds and rock-solid reliability? This 32GB memory card is engineered to handle full HD and 4K UHD content with transfer rates up to 170 megabytes per second, so you can capture and move your footage faster than ever before. Whether you're shooting with an action camera or piloting a drone, this card's UHS Speed Class 3, U3, and Video Speed Class 30, V30, ratings ensure smooth, uninterrupted recording. No more dropped frames or frustrating buffering. Plus, it supports the A2 app performance class, meaning your apps launch quicker and run smoother, saving you valuable time during busy workflows. Durability is where this card truly stands out. It's been rigorously tested to resist water, extreme temperatures from -25°C to 85°C during operation, shocks, vibrations, and even X-rays. So, whether you're hiking, flying, or navigating tough environments, your data stays safe and accessible. One user shared how this card made updating maps on their Garmin GPS effortless. They initially thought a 64GB card was necessary, but this 32GB model worked perfectly, proving that sometimes the right fit matters more than the biggest size. It's a compact powerhouse that just works every time. Keep in mind, for optimal compatibility, you may need to reformat the card in your device's supported file system. It's designed to work seamlessly with devices supporting A1 and A2 cards, ensuring broad compatibility across your gear. If you're ready to upgrade your memory storage with a reliable, high-speed card that won't let you down, this 32GB memory card is worth a look. It balances speed, durability, and app performance in a way that keeps pace with your active lifestyle. Try it when you're ready to experience faster transfers, smoother recording, and peace of mind on every adventure.